Welcome to the Jungle Travelers.
Welcome back. This is a nice little episode of us just unboxing my new winch I got. Bought this off of eBay. It was $875 including delivery. But I had a little, what was it, a 5% off code or something, 15?
Yeah, now that I think about it, I think you got this at a better price than I got mine.
Because they know when they're dealing with decent customers.
Yeah, because it was $875, mine was.
Yeah, well I got the code, that's why.
Yeah, true. Yeah, that
So-
was like nearly $30 off.
So this here is the Runva 11XP Premium.
Yeah.
So straight off eBay. I ordered this thing on Wednesday and they tried to deliver it on the Friday, 2 days later. It was just so quick, so they must have a distributor near us, but yeah, it was pretty good. So we'll get out the little box cutter.
We stand back.
Pretty excited. So it comes with all your little bits and pieces as well. So like this winch block and what was it? Winch block?
Yeah, winch block.
Winch.
What do they call them? Fair weathers or
Fairly.
fair?
Comes with stuff.
We'll just wait till we get it open first.
Trying to be informative, but we just
Completely bombed that.
we just have no idea what's going on. Oh, look at the tube.
Well, we'll let you know as we pull it out. So you've got your what do you call these?
Remote.
Remote, yeah. So that one's your ported one. This also comes wireless. So
Couple of stickers. That's what I bought it for.
yeah, you got your what do they call these ones? They're bow shackles.
Bow shackle?
Bow shackle. You got your isolator.
Tongue, a little tongue that just sticks out at the front, like.
Yep. Yeah, mine's got that. It looks really stupid, but I don't know why I kept it on. But there's multiple different ways you can mount it. So obviously this is for mounting on your actual motor, whereas this one's for mounting on your bull bar. So we'll probably use this one, just because you use the one on the motor when you're mounting the winch on the bull bar, not inside it, which is what we'll be doing inside it. This is your bracket for your control box.
Sorry, just one sec, sorry.
What?
Sorry about the noise. We've got families, they're enjoying themselves out in the sun. We finally got some sun for the last week and a half, so.
Yep.
But yeah, they're just out there enjoying themselves.
So
That's a piece of metal.
Yep.
It comes with a bit of metal.
It's actually a really great idea. I love this because mine's got the same thing. It's actually rubber based. So your bow shackle obviously goes in there, and this is what your dyneema rope hooks into. So this actually just gets pressed up against your bull bar. It doesn't rub or anything, just really nice and tight.
This is your negative power.
Yep.
I don't know why I opened it.
I know, because it's wrong. So you got obviously all your stainless steel holders.
Foam, don't forget. Styrofoam, the styrofoam. Stubby coolers! You already got one.
Yeah, but you got two.
Yeah, that's because I bought two.
Fine, this is all for you. You just take it, okay?
It said in the things, would you like 2 stubby coolers? And I said
Really?
yes. No, of
I
course
was
it
gonna
didn't.
say, what the hell?
You can put those over there.
No, I don't even want it now.
Yeah.
So that's your control box. Rip that sucker open. It's got your wireless controller in there too. Yep, so you got.
There you go.
Cut that off.
No, just pull that really, really tight, or really, really hard. Pull it off.
Alright, so
The
you
smell
got
is insane. It's
control
beautiful.
box. This fella is your wireless controller. It already comes with a battery too, which is great.
So you're going to make sure that you put that at the front, make sure everyone knows you've got the Runva.
So the other thing you get is a winch protector. Probably not so usable if you're putting the winch in the bull bar, but if you're externally mounting it to the top of your bull bar or whatever, like mounting it on your bull bar, that'll be great. And these will come in very handy because we've got Hiluxes come to the Cape with us, so we'll definitely be doing double line pulls.
Hilux and a Prado now. This is a Prado
It's even
one as
worse.
well.
Yeah.
So yeah, this will get a workout. You're
Yeah.
So who do you want? So
I don't want to take responsibility for any of them.
So there's only the two Tritons coming to the Cape now. The other Triton pulled out. But then now there's a Prado coming instead.
Yeah, up yours,
so
Tim. Sorry, is that coming?
So there's a Prado and a Hilux. So who do you want to have to pull out all the time?
Oh, well, I think the Hilux would be lighter than the Prado. So
Yeah.
So I want the Hilux.
You're lighter. So
Yeah.
you're lighter than mine. So you'll have to take a lighter car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the other thing,
So I've got Mel and Conrad, and you've got
Nico back.
Nico.
So I'm pretty sure these are called fair leads. That's your fair lead. It is a fair lead. I'm going to say it. Comment if I'm wrong. Because I'm pretty sure it's a fair lead.
Yeah. Yeah.
A cord.
Where does that go?
That's from your battery terminal to your isolator switch.
Which is
So,
pretty cool.
yeah, I'll be showing them. Yeah, comes with an isolator, 2 keys. So yeah, so this will go from your battery terminal to your isolator, and then you'll have a power cord, the red cord on your control box that will run up to your other end of your isolator.
And now for the pissed off resistance.
The moment you've all been waiting for.
Is that how you say it? Pissed off resistance, isn't it? Am I opening it up?
Yeah,
Take it open. Look at that. You actually don't get a real sense of how big it is until you...
Yeah.
That's a heavy thing too.
Yeah, 30 kilos.
Phew!
So they're not the lightest on the market, but they're within 1 to 2 kilos.
Can you make that? Oh my...
So these, myself personally, I like this winch because this one comes with an IP67 rating, so they're waterproof, and they come with a lifetime mechanical warranty, and it's what, 5-year electrical warranty?
Yeah, it says on the box here. 5-year electrical warranty, lifetime mechanical warranty. Limited lifetime, so...
Yeah,
They put those
obviously
rates
have
in.
conditions, but yeah, for what we plan on doing, it's definitely not going to interfere with that. You can also move, these have like a movable clutch. So obviously if you're, depending where you need access to your, like to release your clutch, you can have it, so you can move this whole housing just by loosening off all these little Allen key bolts. Yeah, so you can adjust that to wherever it needs to be. Obviously this is where your wiring goes. It's all colour coded, so red, blue, yellow. Red, blue, yellow.
What happens if you're colourblind?
Well, then you're up the creek to that paddle. Find someone that's not colourblind. Yeah, and also so it's the 11,000 pound winch. Dyneema rope, which I'm pretty sure isn't even, like, if you buy the steel cabled version of this, it's not even heavier.
This is the same weight.
Yeah, like within half a kilo. So I don't know how that works, but I'm pretty sure when I was looking, I didn't want a steel cable because I think this stuff's the go, but I thought, oh, it'd be heaps lighter, but it's actually not really. Yeah, so this is, I already mentioned 11,000 pound. What else do we need to tell us about it?
We will be doing an install video.
Yeah, for sure. So we'll show you how all that works, putting in your isolator switch.
Because I know that there's a lot of people on the MR Triton page that were asking, you know, how do you install it? Do you have to take your bull bar off, or can you just pull it down? So we'll give it a crack and see what actually...
Yeah, we'll try it both ways. Obviously, if we don't have to take the bull bar, we don't want to take the bull bar off.
That's a lot of weight to try and... Like that there is heavy enough to lift itself, and then you got to put it on a bull bar and lift that through.
Well, it actually goes on a plate that should not be part of the bull bar. But
Oh.
the voltage shows, yeah.
Well,
So it sits
there
on
you
that
go.
and the bull bar will sit over.
Well, let's take the bull bar off then.
Yeah, well, you can, yeah.
No, I'm not keen on that.
It's an option.
Because we've got to take the scrub bars off then.
Yeah, it's just a pain in the neck.
Yeah.
Hopefully, the Tritons have oodles of room in the front because they got this tiny little engine and an engine bay that could fit a TD42. So
But why would you put a TD42 when
You
the
wouldn't.
2.4 is the best motor ever made, apart from your 3.2 and
that's
yours?
right, yeah.
It's neck and neck.
Oh, I think I'm just a little bit ahead.
Oh, faster.
Yeah, that has nothing to do with it, mate.
It's all the driver.
Mine can pull the skin off the custard, so...
A light breeze could do that.
Well, I don't know who's making your custard, mate, but...
Anyway, back to this. Sorry, we just...
We get carried away. It's fine. Yeah, instruction stickers, but that's what you get when you buy the premium. So, yeah, you can get all this included for $875.
If, look, it was, I think it was 905, and then I had the little discount codes. So it's still very, very good quality. Or good
But
quality for money.
that's not because we're like paid for eBay or anything. All of this will be able to get that discount.
Yeah.
Depending. So, I think that's pretty much it. So, the other thing we wanted to mention too was we also wanted to thank Cole from GETWHEEL for coming on board with the Chunky Travellers. We did purchase these tyres previously. I've been buying off Cole for a couple of years now. But these are the tyres that I use. These tyres and rims are for my brother's MN Triton. But we thought, why not? We put them in the video. But they're exactly the same as what I run on mine. They have had a name change recently, which I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but they're, what are they called? What's it? Lenny Gators or
Landigator.
Yeah, so they're now from Catchforce. So they are Catchforce. And I have had them, so I've had them on mine, what, 2 years? So I've had mine on for 2 years and they've been an excellent tyre. They wear great, they're not noisy at all. I've had like plenty of other tyres, Maxxis, Federals, all mud terrain, and they've all been a mile times louder than these things. So as long as you rotate them sort of every 10,000, I like to do mine every service, which every 10,000. I haven't had an issue with mine. We'll actually be going up to the Cape on the old set, plus I'll have 2 new fronts to go on it. And I'm just going to use the ones that come off it as spares while we're up there. So that, they've done 2 years of work and we'll still be fine taking them to the Cape.
You've probably got at least half tread.
Yeah, I've still got 50% tread on. I've done like 50, 60,000 Ks on them.
Yeah.
45 maybe, 45, 50. And I chuck a fat skid in the wet whenever I get the chance.
No, you do not. On closed roads, not on public roads.
Nah.
Just down in Mexico.
Yeah. So we just wanted to thank Cole, and we'll put a link in our description anyway with his contact details. So tell him Chunky Travellers sent you. When you see him, he's in Burpengary too, by the way.
WA, Queensland, North Brisbane.
Yep.
These are 265,
75,
16.
Yep.
So what's that? 31.6. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's only 32 inch.
Yeah, Cole supply rims, tyres, or like you just ask for it, and he can pretty much get his hands on it. So he's pretty good like that. So thanks, Cole. We appreciate it, mate. I guess what was the other? You probably should stand over here because you're not even in the camera, mate.
That's okay.
What was the other thing? Shirt. I did want to mention we have started making some merch. You want to do a little spin for us, mate?
There we go.
So we've only had a few made, but we were just sort of going to see what sort of interest there is out there.
I'm sorry, I just wanted to show my back.
Oh, sorry.
Well, let us know if you want one.
Yeah, hit us
They're
up.
nice.
We'll we haven't really worked out what it's going to cost or anything yet. We just sort of just got a couple made just for the full dry show, but we figured we've got a few people sort of hitting us up for it.
We'll do deals and stuff like that, like say buy 2 get 2. Like you pay for 2 and you will get 2 in the mail.
We always will do sweet deals like
Just
that.
cracking deals like that.
So just personal message us on Facebook, and we can organise whatever you need. We're going to do hats and beer coolers and stuff eventually, but for now we're probably just going to stick with a few different types of shirts. We'll update you as we go. It's yeah. Yeah.
That's nice.
That's pretty much it for today's video. We just had a couple of things we want to mention. Show off the new winch that we'll put that on soon. But yeah, other than that, thanks for watching. We'll don't forget to
stay chunky.
and like and subscribe. We're really chasing some views.
Yeah, we really do.
Yeah.
I'm really sick of being out working for a living. Yeah, it sucks.
He whinges a lot like this.
Oh, mate. Oh.
Now you know what I've got to put up with.
I'm a roofer in Brockhampton. That's hot.
Yeah. Hey, it sucks.
Look at this. Look at the tan on it.
It's just the Aboriginal in you.
I don't have any of that in me. You got Aboriginal,
Yeah.
I've got Maori in me.
Yeah.
I just want to show off my arms again.
No, mate. Give us a quick spread.
Cool going.
Show them what you got.
Mm.
And then put them guns away, mate. The cops will be around you in no time.
Yeah. Alright, now we're just walking along.
Yeah.
Alright.
So thanks for that.
Thank you very much.
See you on the next one.
Thanks for watching.